session. Yeah, all of you, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
You can turn on your videos, all of you, you can turn on your videos, and me too. Yes. Okay. Today our topic is multiplication by series of any digit. Multiplication by series of any digit. So it may be multiplication by some one series, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, so on, or it may be multiplication by some two series, 2, 2, 2, 2, or it may be some multiplication by 9, 9, 9, 9, so on. Okay. So we'll start with the ones only. Here we don't need to, I think we don't need to mention multiplication by any number, multiplication by 1, right?
Yes, sir.
Any
It will
number,
be
if
the
it is
number
multiplied
itself.
by 1, it will be
Number itself.
the same number. If it is x into 1, it will be x only. No need to mention this multiplication by 1. We'll start with 2 ones. Okay. So any number multiplication by 11. Nothing but 11. 2 ones, nothing but 11.
22 is the answer. If the x is 2.
11x is the answer for this question.
Sir, what is the answer, sir?
Which
Sir,
question?
X is the answer. X.
I have not asked any question. So this is our exercise today. That's what I mentioned. Any number multiplication by 11.
Sir, it's so easy.
Okay, so can you please repeat the procedure?
I did not tell the procedure also even. I'll just start the procedure. See, any number I'm taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Some 12,345. We are going to multiply this number by 11. Okay. In a single step, we are writing the answer. Just see, all of you, listen to me carefully. See here. Take the first digit as it is, 1. Okay. Yeah. 1 plus 2 is how much?
3.
3.
Sir.
2 plus 3 is how much?
5.
5.
3 plus 4 is?
7.
8.
4 plus 5 is?
7.
Sir, 4 plus 5 is 9, sir.
9. And take the last digit also as it is. That's all.
Sir, we should take
Multiplication.
class. Sir.
It will be like 1, then 2 plus 3 is equals to 4.
So first
Sir,
and
first we
last
should
digit
copy
as it
1
is.
as is.
First and
Okay,
last digits
then-
as it is. Remaining all the digits are addition of consecutive 2 numbers. Sum of consecutive 2 numbers. So see
Okay,
here,
sir.
some 352 into 11.
Sir, we should take 3 as is.
Yes.
And
first 3
3
as
as
it
it
is.
is. 3 plus
8.
And 3 plus 5 is?
8.
8.
8.
5
5 plus
plus
2
2
is 10.
10
7.
and 2, sir.
And last 2 as it is again. That's all.
Sir, who told, sir, anyone told 10, sir?
Sorry?
5 plus 2 is 10, it's sir, anyone told.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir. I don't
Yes.
think these
Yes,
both
I know.
procedures are the same.
Don't speak all the persons at a time. Speak one by one. Whoever
Yeah.
having doubt, just to speak one by one. Yeah, Sudisha, tell me your doubt first.
Sir, I don't have a doubt, sir.
Okay. Toshnika, what is your doubt?
So I don't feel that the first procedure which you told were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 11 and 352 multiplied by 11 are the same, because here we did 1 and 5 as it is, and now we added 2 and 1 which is 3, 3 and 2 which is 5, and 4 and
Yes.
3 which is 7, 5 and 4 which is 9. But over here you're
Yeah,
adding 5
3
with
as it
2
is
as well as
and
3.
2 as it is. Okay.
Yeah,
Next, how you got this 8? 3 plus 5.
by adding 5 plus 3 over there I was clear with
Then
that.
5 plus 2, this is 7.
Why did you add it with 7? So that was not a part of a procedure, right?
So here we have added the digits only. In the given number, 3, we have to take it as it is. So don't leave 3 here. Take 3 also along with 5 in the next case. After taking 3 itself, later we have to take 3 plus 5, 8.
Okay, but here, sir, for example, we didn't do the same thing over here, right? So,
Here
so
also the same. We have taken 1 as it is. Later we have taken again 1 plus 1. Oh, sorry, 1 plus 2, it is 3.
yes. And now 2 plus 3.
Yeah, 2 plus 3. 3 plus 4. Till the end, till the completion of the digits.
Okay, got it. Sir.
Till the digits are over. Because it's a 5-digit number, it's a 3-digit number. Okay.
Got it, sir.
What is your doubt, Aditi?
Sir, if the number is
792.
Okay. I got your doubt. Okay, I got your doubt. I'll
Sir, I
tell
have a
that point
doubt.
after this exercise. So what is her doubt
Sir, I
is,
have a doubt.
all of you, listen to me. What is her doubt is, if we add two digits, if it is exceeding 10, if we are getting a double digit number, right? Aditi, is it your
Yes,
doubt?
sir.
Okay, I'll
Yes,
clarify
sir.
that doubt after this exercise. Tell me, Sudhisha. Sudhisha, tell.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, it was me, not Sudhisha, sir.
Srishti, do you have any doubt?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell
Sir,
me.
if the number is like 100,
Okay, then also will be the same
731.
1007 something into 11, right?
No, sir, 100731.
7.
31.
Okay, if it is 3 means we after adding 7 and 3 we got a double digit number. What to do with the double digit number? I'll tell after this exercise.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now you can give your name. So there are only 4 questions. Only 4 members will get the chance.
Sir,
Only 4 questions. No need to write extra.
okay, sir.
If questions are over, don't write.
Sir, everyone wants to take a.
If the questions are over, no need to write.
Sir, no need to write. Okay, sir.
Hmm.
Sir.
Ritik, Jaydeep, there is no question E.
Sir, C, sir. C, I took, sir. Afterwards, C.
Okay, Ritik, N is okay. Ritvik ready.
Sir, all questions over.
Sir, Ritvik Reddy took C, sir.
Sir,
No. See the first Ritvik
Sir,
N.
first
first
Ritvik and
Ritvik
C.
and
Yes.
I'm saying, sir.
then E
since
Ritvik.
Srishti,
Yes, sir.
Sir, then D Srishti.
A
Sir,
Aditi,
how?
and then B Satvika. That's all. A Aditi.
Sir, why you kept
Sir, A.
sir.
Ashwath right, sir. Can you check once? Sorry, sir.
Okay. Right. Yeah. If all the questions are over, we'll start explanation. Can I?
Sir, start, sir.
Yeah, because these questions are very easy. Aditi, start your explanation.
So the first number we keep it as it is, which is 2.
2 as it is. Okay.
So 2 plus 3 is 5.
2 plus 3 is 5.
And the last digit will keep it as it is. So
Again,
the
last
answer
digit as it is.
3. So 253.
That's all. Very good. Correct. Satvika.
So we'll put 6 as it is.
Okay.
So 6 plus 1, 7.
Okay.
And 1.
Again, 1 as it is. Very good. Correct. Then Ritvik N.
Yes, sir. Sir, first we have to keep 4 as it is, and then 4 plus 4 is 8, and then we have to keep again 4.
Again 4. That's all. Very good. Correct. Then Srishti.
Sir, we need to keep 5 as it is.
Okay.
And then 5 plus 0 is nothing but 5. And we'll write 0
Okay.
as it is. The answer is 550.
Again 0 as it is. 500. Sorry.
Sir,
Okay.
50.
Okay. I have written mistake.
550.
Yes. Yes. So first digit 5 as it is, then 5 plus 0 is 5 again, and last digit to 0 as it is. Otherwise, how we can do in another way this question? 11 5 times is how much?
Sir, 11 5 times is 55.
55.
Then
And
we
put a
put
0.
The last is 0.
Yes. After later we can put a 0. Simple. Yeah. What if the sum of the digits is double digit? Okay. See that.
We need to do
If it is 9 7 6 5 4 8 into 11, if it is the case, just let me explain first, all of you. 9, take 9 as it is. Next, 9 plus 7 is?
Sir, 16.
16.
It's 1 here, 6 here. Okay, take 1 carry, and 6, we need 6 only, 1 carry. Next, 7 plus 6 is?
Sir, 7 plus 6 is 13.
13 means 1 here, 3 here. 6
Sir,
plus
what,
5?
sir? Sir, can you
11.
explain it again?
Yeah, I'm continuing. Just listen to this.
Sir,
Okay,
6
I'm
plus
explaining
5,
again.
11.
See, 9 as it is first.
Yes, sir.
First take 9 as it is. Next, 9 plus 7 is
16.
16, sir.
16 means 1 here, 6 here. 7 plus 6 means 13.
Sir,
13.
1,
1,
3.
3.
6 plus 5, 11.
Sir, 11.
11.
Sir, 1,
1.
5, 1.
5 plus 4,
Sir,
9,
9.
sir.
9. No carry. Just write beside. Next, 4 plus 8.
Sir, 12.
Sir, 12.
12 means
Sir,
again
1
we
here,
got a
2
double
here.
digit. 1 here, 2 here. And last, don't forget to
Sir,
take
then
it as it is. 8. Okay, just
that
balance
one-
this number. Just addition only, simple addition.
Sir, then we need to
9
add
plus 1 is 10.
10. 6 plus 1 is 7.
3
3
plus
plus
1
1
is
is 4.
next.
One
plus
Actually,
one.
it should be 1 as it is, but the next place is carry. That's why it will be 2.
2.
Additions, don't forget additions.
Sir,
Okay,
and
9 plus 1
Oh,
Indian
yeah.
number 0.
Sir,
2 as it is, then 8.
2 and 8.
That's-
Okay, sir, understood, sir. We should
0
use
to
the
8.
addition method also for this.
Yeah, here
Understood,
we
sir.
can use addition.
Sir, so the answer
Addition
is
Sir, should we give the names?
For which exercise?
Sir, you didn't.
The
So on
next
exercise, we'll
exercise.
give a name, sir.
Next exercise. Okay, if you are ready, you can give.
Sir,
Sir,
I
I've
gave some.
given.
Sir, I kept my.
There are only 6 questions. Don't give more than that.
Sir, should I give? It is starting from Mahavir.
No, it's starting from C, Sudisha.
No, sir,
starting
A,
from
Mahavir.
A,
Just
Mahavir.
wait, I'll decide. I'll
It's
decide.
starting from A, Mahavira.
Mahavir. Yes, sir, because like I kept it ready.
Yeah, it is
like,
A Mahavir. Okay, it is from A Mahavir. Okay.
Sir, I'm not getting one sample.
Sir, I also didn't get any chance, sir.
This is RR or RN.
Sir, I kept. Sir, I'll see, sir. 1 minute. I
C
also
is
kept.
RR or RN.
Sir, it's RR.
Sir,
I think. RR. Yes, RR.
Sir, D, Srishti.
B is Srishti.
Sir, it is RN, sir. See, he put C Ritik N.
Sir, I'm checking.
C Ritvik and later written.
Sir, first
Sir,
I
we have-
kept, sir.
First
Sir,
after
first I kept.
Ritvik Reddy.
Yeah,
Excuse
sir.
me,
First
sir.
RR. Okay, first RR. Okay, that's all over. No discussions.
Sir,
Sir.
Yeah.
Sir, where is practice B, sir?
Sorry.
Where is practice B? We didn't practice B, sir. We started with practice
This
and
one?
next. Yes, sir.
No need to consider these. These are just given, not given in an order. So for this, I have kept this one also.
sir, B,
Okay, sir.
Vallabha. Sir, B, Vallabha.
Oh, B Sri Vallabha.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And only F is
F,
remaining. F
Satvik.
Satvik.
Sir, F, Satvik.
Okay.
Sir, wait, sir. I am doing, sir.
Okay. Can I start?
Sir, 2 minutes,
Sir,
sir.
1 minute, sir. First
Okay. 1 minute. Take 1 minute and do all the questions. Not only your question. Do all the questions.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, will this be posted in the Google Classroom?
Ashwad, your
Sir.
voice is not clear.
Sir, can you hear me now? Sir, can you hear me?
Sir, done.
Yeah, I'm able to hear, but your voice is not clear.
Sir, can you hear me now?
Sir, he's asking that will this be posted in the Google Classroom?
Yeah, daily I'm posting in Google Classroom.
Sir, it is uploading on YouTube also.
Yeah, even I am uploading this video in YouTube and I am sharing that link in our Google Classroom.
Sir, am I
mine
there
is
in
done,
classroom?
Sir, so mine is done. So can I start?
Sir, even I have done.
Okay. Srishti or some other person is asking about something. Google Classroom.
Sir, no, sir. I'm asking that first A is mine, right? So I completed it. So can I start?
Okay. That's okay, Mahavir. Just wait. Okay, we'll start the solutions. Mahavir, carry on.
Yes, sir. Sir, so first we'll write 6 as it is.
Okay.
Sir, then 6 plus 8 is equals to 14. So we'll write 1 below 6.
One
and
carry.
4.
4, okay.
Sir, and 8 as it is.
8 as it is.
Sir, then it will be, sir, 6 plus 1 is equals to 7, like, and 4 and 8, so it will be 748.
That's all. Very good. Correct. So why I'm able, oh, one second. Yeah, it is in very low voice in my system only. Now speak,
But
anyone?
sir, we were able to hear you from.
Sir, now?
Sir, now?
Yeah, now it is somewhat better. Okay, Sri Vallabha.
Sir, we'll put 7 and 7 plus 9 is 16.
First, 7 as.
Yes, 7 as it is, and 7 plus 9 is 16.
Yeah, how to write 16?
Sir, it's. Wait,
1
so
carry,
we-
6.
we'll put 6. Okay.
So next,
We'll put 9 as it is.
9 as it is. Okay. Answer, final answer.
Sir, we should take the 1 to 9 or to 6.
Just add 7 plus 1 is 8, 6 and 9 as it is. That's all.
Okay, sir.
Then Ritvik.
Yes, sir. Sir, the question is 47, but 47 into 11, sir.
Okay.
So 4 as it is, sir.
Okay.
4 plus 11 is a carry. So 1 and 1, which is 11, and last digit is 1, so we can keep 1 and 1 carry.
This is,
Sir?
4 plus 7 is 11, sir.
yeah, that is okay. Over. Next, 7.
Last digit we should keep there, and 1 carry out.
Okay.
And we should keep as is the end number, which is 7. So 417. Then we should add which is 517. So the answer will
517.
be 5.
Very good. Correct. Srishti.
Sir, 86 into 11, the answer is 946. Like 8 will write, but the next number is carry forward, so we'll write 9. And
Very good.
8
Srishti.
plus 6
Very
is
good, very good.
14.
Yes.
8 plus 6 is 14, so we'll write 4. And last number is 6, we'll write 6.
Yeah, 6. Very good. Correct. Okay. All of you listen to her once. Listen to her procedure once. Very good, Srishti.
Thank
Excellent. 86 into 11. Just see, all of you. Without writing, she reduced one more step here. So actually, it should be 8, but she had taken the next number also. Because the next place is carry, instead of writing 8 here, she is directly writing 9 here. Next, 8 plus 6, end number is 4. So
4.
she has written 4 and 6 as it is. That's in a single step.
I'm getting confused, so I'll not be doing it.
Okay, that is what I'm telling. If you are comfortable, you can go with this. Otherwise, you can go.
Sir, we can also do it with other numbers also, right?
Other numbers means?
Sir, other sums, other numbers multiplied by 11.
Just see, I'm applying for your question. See, so actually we should write 6 first. Okay, so I'm not writing 6. I'm seeing the next number, next combination. 6 plus 8 is a carry combination. That's why instead of writing 6, we'll write 7.
Yes, sir.
Plus 8, end number is 4, and last digit is 8. That's
Yes, sir. Understand.
Sri Vallabha's question. See, 7 actually, but instead of writing 7, because the next place is carry, I'll write 8. Because 7 plus 6 is carry combination. That's all. Next, 7 plus 9, end number is 6, and last digit 9 again. Okay, these are addition techniques only. Nothing but additions.
Sir, I'm late to class.
Yeah, I know.
Ma'am, sir, we can do that method with 93 into 11, which is SATs.
93 into 11. Yeah, you can do that with the.
Sir, that is of F1 with SAT. Someone is there.
Who is speaking now? Satvika.
No, sir.
Sir,
Sir, the F1 is
After Satvika's approach is over, later we'll discuss about this.
okay, sir.
Aditi, carry on.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Shivpranav, just listen to this procedure.
Okay, sir.
You will get understood. Otherwise, I'll explain again. Aditi, carry on.
sir, we'll write the first number as 5, but when we do 5 plus 5, it will become 6, so we'll write 6. Then 5 plus 5 is 10, we'll write the end number as 0. And I will write 5 as 5. So answer is 6, not 5.
Very good. Correct.
Sir, I didn't understood.
I know.
Sir, can I explain?
Shall I explain how you
Yeah. Listen,
sir, I-
Shobran. Listen,
Okay.
Shobran. Listen to me. So
Yes,
take
sir.
first number as it is. Here we are today our exercise is multiplication by 11. Okay, any number multiplication by 11. So take first number as it is. First digit as it is, that is 5. Next add 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. I'm writing 1 here, 0 here. Because 1 carry. Okay. And last digit also as it is 5. So now simply adding the digits will get the answer. 5 plus 1 is 6, 0 and then 5. Okay.
Okay, sir. I
Satvika?
understood.
Yes, sir. Sir, here we have to put 9, but the next place is carry, so we'll put 10 instead of 9.
Very good.
And 9 plus 3 n number is 2,
Okay.
and the n number 3. We'll put 3
Three,
as
very
it is.
So Shobra, now see here she reduced one more step. I'm writing that processor first and later we'll come to this processor. 93 into 11. Okay. We'll take 9 as it is first. 9 plus 3 is how much?
So 9 plus 3, 12.
12.
12 means we have to write 1 here, 2 here. 1 carry. Next, last digit as it is 3 again. So after adding 9 plus 1 is 10, 2, 3. That's all. Same answer. Okay.
Yes.
Right.
So should we give names again?
Just see the questions first, later give the names. There are 9 questions.
My name first.
There are 9 questions. 9 questions are there.
Sir, finally I gave my name, sir.
Okay. Mahar is
Sir, me
ready.
too, sir. Finally,
Navneet
I
is ready
gave my
for
name.
question number.
Sir, Srishti is keeping DJ Srishti.
Sir, first I copied that Jaideep and again pasted and I am
Baba.
about to send, sir, but
Maybe some people
Rinka-
are already typing their names in the chat box and ready with their.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very-
Don't,
very
sir,
good.
don't leak that.
Sir, I kept it ready before.
Yeah,
all.
अभी ना
No, no, no.
Sir, see Tisha.
I also put mine ready, sir, because I didn't get a chance from long
He's
time.
very- very strict, yeah.
Sir, but I kept it first, sir.
Sir, D Ritvik R.
Sir, I took G.
Okay, D Ritvik R.
Sir, G Aditi.
Yes, sir. G Aditi.
Yeah.
Sir, C is already done. Sir, E Shiva Pranav.
E. Okay.
E Shiva Pranav.
F Satvik. Sir, F Satvika.
Sir, I Lohini Itsim,
C.
sir.
C is
No, I Ashwath. I Ashwath.
of Satvika.
Yes, sir. And I Ashwath.
Sir, first H Lohini Itsim, sir. Chat box.
I Ashwath, then H.
H Ahana.
Ahana. Yes, sir.
Sir, I didn't get a chance, sir.
Sir, DG.
You kept it, sir.
We
I
have one
thought
more
I got a
exercise.
chance.
Sir, H Lohini.
Already
Yes,
over.
sir.
Questions are
Oh,
over.
then.
No need.
Oh, all right.
Remaining person just type your you can type your question number and name and just wait to enter. Do all these questions,
Sir?
all of you. All of
Sir,
you.
can you tell next bit how many?
Done, sir.
Actually, I don't know.
Sir, once you and tell, sir, if you.
Yep. 6
Okay, sir.
questions.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
6 questions are there in the next. Okay, don't concentrate on that.
Okay, sir, we'll
giving the names. Just concentrate on the procedure and shortcuts.
Sir, done.
2 and
Done,
sir. So 1 minute, sir.
Done, sir.
Okay, I'll wait. Just complete all the questions.
Okay, sir.
Done with answer.
Sir, now everyone will keep ready, so we don't know who will keep first.
5 plus 1 is 6.
Sir, you can explain 5 not 5 once.
Sir, in this carry out is not there, sir.
Overall,
Carry.
okay. Yes.
5 not 5
Yes. There is no carry here. There is no
Yes,
carry.
sir. No carry here, sir. I checked it all. Sir, it will be easy.
Done, sir.
Okay.
So done, sir. Let's start.
Okay. Okay. Just wait.
So done.
Okay. Drona, are you there? Drona. Ishan.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mahira.
Yes, sir.
Right. Then Vedika.
Shan, not answering.
Sir, done, sir.
Vedika, are you there?
Sir, even I.
Sir,
She was right now. Yes, yes, she's there.
Vedika, let Vedika speak. Okay, okay. Are you okay? You are there. No, nothing. I am just checking. Some persons are there or not there. Yadharth.
sir,
Yes, sir.
Okay. Lohini is there because the chat I saw her name. Cyrus, are you there?
Sir, sir,
It's okay. I'm just checking. Are you there or not there? Okay. We'll start our solutions with Mahavir.
Yes, sir. Sir, so the number is 423 multiplied by 11. So we'll take 4 as it is.
Okay.
Sir, then it will be 4 plus 2 is equals to 6.
Okay.
Sir, 2 plus 3 it will be 5.
Okay.
Sir, and 3 as it is. So it will be 4,653. Sir, it's not 5, 3. Sir, it's 3.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Sir, you wrote 4. Yes, sir.
Right. Ritvik, Yan.
Yes, sir. Sir, 6 will be a same, sir. 6 plus 3 is 9, and then 3 plus 6 is also 9, and then we have to keep 6 as the end.
Again, keep 6 as it is. Very
Yes,
good.
sir.
Correct. Sudisha.
Yes, sir. Sir, the 5 will be as it is.
Okay.
Sir, 5 plus 3 is 8.
Okay.
Sir, 3 plus 4 is 7.
Okay.
Then, sir, 4 will be as it is.
Again, last at the end, 4 as it is. Very good. Then Ritvik ready?
Yes, sir. Sir, so the question is 516 into 11.
Okay.
So first number is as is, which is 5.
Okay.
And 5 plus 1, which is 6.
Okay.
1 plus 6 is 7.
Okay.
And the last digit remains same, which is 6. That's it.
6
The
as it is.
answer, so the answer will be 5,676.
Correct. What is there in the chart?
Sir, Ashwad want to take, he want to not take I.
Like, I mean, sir, Ashwath
someone
wants to
else.
shuffle his letter with someone else. So, yeah, it again
Yeah.
create confusion.
no, sir. I didn't want to shuffle my letter with someone else, sir. I didn't want this I bit. I wanted to take some. I wanted to take one question in the practice E, sir.
Practice, he want to take it, sir. He want to don't take it.
You
I
can
think-
give your name
I think
again.
there is no
practice.
carry here. That's why you are
Sir.
preparing the next.
Sir, no, sir. Once name will given in such it. Sir.
Okay. Don't write anything. Tashnika and other persons also. Don't write anything. Ashwath will do this exercise, and if you want, I'll give another question in the another exercise also. Okay. Why? What is the problem with this exercise?
I think so.
See,
He
don't
got
write.
difficult
Don't write
today.
any. Everyone, I'm telling to everyone, don't write anything in the chat.
Yes, sir, because we are going to concentrate and they are chatting. We are not able to concentrate.
Yeah,
Yes.
because of that chatting only, I stopped here and I'm checking that.
Sir, but who told to open chat no, sir? If they're concentrating, why would they look at chat?
And so,
Sir,
so we're
Maybe
not
somebody-
chatting anything that is,
somebody may
It's
have
coming
some
again and again. How can we stop, right?
and I'm not chatting anything useless. That's important, right, sir? because he's having a confusion and we need to
If anybody is having
Okay now.
emergency, we have to check that chat box also.
Yes, sir, but why did some other people like me and Toshrika, I don't know why did I chat because of that. Sorry.
That is why for all of you, I'm telling, don't use chat box unnecessarily. When you are writing question names and numbers, that is okay. And after that, if you have any doubt or if you have any technical problem or any other else, you can write that in the chat. Okay, then Ashwad, just respond. What is your problem with this question? Ashwad.
Sir, I wanted to do it a little bit later, sir. The question.
Little bit?
Later, sir. Sir, I wanted to do it after some time, sir. Like I wanted to do practice sir.
Okay. I'm canceling this question for you. And Toshnika will do this.
Sir, can I take?
Sir, but Toshnika did not give no, sir. Jaydeep is trying from that many times, sir, on all alphabets.
Even a single chance. Whoever got a chance, who did not.
Sir, even Jaydeep did not got, sir.
Please stop this and let's concentrate.
Let Jaideep take it. I won't.
We have one more
Sir,
exercise.
you give it to Jai.
Yeah, thanks.
Sir, who can first give them on, sir?
Sir, see, sir, Toshnika only realized.
Sir Lohini, because like.
Okay, then Shiv Pranav will respond.
Yes, sir. Sir, we should keep
Just wait. Ashwad, again you started. Jaideep continuing. Toshnika, don't write anything in the chat. Don't write anything. Okay, Jaideep will do this. Okay. Yeah. Shiv Pranav.
Yes,
You
sir.
got this, you understood this method, okay?
Yes, sir, but how we should do zero, sir?
As something is written again in the chat. Okay. Shiv Pranav.
Yes, sir. Sir, we should keep
Zero
7
also you can add directly.
Yes, sir. Sir, we should keep 7 as it is.
Okay. Then
Sir,
7 plus 0.
Sir, 7.
Okay. Then
Sir, 6 plus
0 plus 6.
0 plus 6 is equals to 6 only.
And last at the end
6 only, sir, again.
6 as it is. That's all.
And else?
Okay. And later in the later exercises, we'll do this exercise with another technique also. So numbers are just above base numbers. How can we do that? Is 7 11 times is 77. 76 times is 66. That's the answer. 7 11 times 77. 6 11 times 66. That's the answer. Okay, we'll do this this type of questions also in the later exercises. Okay, Satvika. I'm unmuting all of you. Don't speak all at a time. Satvika. Only Satvika.
Sir, 2 as it is. 2 plus 6, 8.
Okay.
6 plus 0, 6.
1 second. Yeah, 2 as it is. 2 plus 6 is 8. Okay, next.
6 plus 0 is 6 and 0 as it is.
Again 0 as it is. Very good. Aditi.
Yes, sir. So we'll keep 4 as it is.
Okay.
4 plus 4 is 8.
Okay.
Then again 4 plus 4 is 8.
Okay.
The last digit 4 will keep it as it is.
4 as it is again. Okay. Ahana.
Sir, 1 as it is.
Ahana, your voice is not. Your voice is very low.
Can you hear me now?
Okay, tell.
Sir, 1 as it is. And,
Okay, 1 as it is.
4.
1 plus 3 is 4.
3 plus 5 is 8.
Okay.
And 5 as it is.
And then
And 5 as it is.
5 as it is. Okay. Your voice is very low. Okay. Jaideep.
Yes, sir. Sir, we should write 5 as it is, and 5 plus
Okay.
3 is 8, and again 3 plus 1 is 4, and we should write 1 as it is. So the answer is 5,841.
5,841. Okay. Now Ashwath, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Again started in the chart.
Sir, Ritvik and Jaideep kept before showing the questions.
These three
Yes,
persons
sir.
are not.
We'll start with
Sir,
this
every
name
time we have
only,
at least
sir.
one
Where
person.
is the exercise? Ritvik?
Sir,
Is
you
it
told to
answer
keep
sheet?
before
Sir,
right,
they are
sir.
cancelled. Sir,
Sorry,
those are
sir.
cancelled.
Sir, please consider. Please, sir.
Sir, you're scrolling, sir. That's why we kept, sir.
That's why, sir. That's why.
That's not count, sir.
Sir, now again we keep, sir. Now we keep, sir.
Sir, I
please thought
consider
you were
that,
just
sir.
scrolling, sir.
Sir,
Sorry.
Okay,
as you were
Sir,
scrolling
please
on,
come.
that's how we
That's
thought.
why,
Please,
thought,
sir.
sir.
Let's
Yeah,
give,
so
take
I'm
us
not
that names
considering
only,
their
sir.
names.
Sir,
Why, sir? Sir, but I took A, sir, first. Please.
sir, I took you, sir. Please, sir.
Okay, wait.
No, sir.
Please consider before, sir. Please, 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 please.
Sir, can you read that? Sir,
No,
can
sir.
you read that?
Okay, just wait. E Ritvik and C Ashwath. D Advika. A Mahavir. C Yatharth. C is already over. F Sudisha. Shobhranav, question number is not given. D Satvika. That's all. Okay. Yeah, stop writing. Okay, okay. Yeah, what Ritvik?
Sir, Ritvik and did not keep only, sir. Ritvik, sir, I kept, sir.
No. At the time, I have not given that exercise also.
Sir, after showing Ritvik.
Yeah, after check once, Ritvik N is there. E. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, complete all of you, complete all the questions. Yeah, your rising means your exercise is over, I think. Okay. Okay. Ashwal completed, Ritvik completed. Ritvik completed. Shoprana completed, Srishti completed. Aditi completed. Mahavir, Sudisha completed. Yeah, shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. So don't write anything in the chat. Okay. Don't write anything.
Sir?
Yeah, don't write anything in the chat. Okay, Mahavir, start.
Yes, sir.
Okay, keep in mute condition. Remaining.
Sir, first we need to take 3 as it is, but as next it will do 8 plus 3, it will be 11, so we'll write it as 4.
Okay.
Sir, 8 plus 3 is 11, so we need to write this as 1, but 8 plus 4 is equals to 12, so it will write it as 2.
Okay.
Sir, 8 plus 4 is equals to 12, so we'll write again 2.
Okay.
Sir, and 4 as it is.
It's very good. So you reduced one step. You jumped to one step, right?
Yes.
Advika.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
When we should write the number 6 as it is.
Okay.
6 plus 2, 8, because
Okay. Okay.
2
Tell me.
plus 9 is equals to 11. 9 as, then the 9 as it is. So our answer will be 6919.
Very good. Very good. Correct. Then Ashwad.
Yes, sir. Sir, can
Yeah.
you hear me, sir? Sir, can you hear me?
Yeah, able to hear.
Yes, sir. Sir, 8 we need to write as it is, but the next it is the carry, sir. We need to write 9, sir.
Okay.
Sir, now 8 plus 8 is 8. Sorry,
End number 6.
end number is 6, sir.
Okay.
Sir, now 8 plus 1 minute, sir. I'm getting confused. Can I tell from first, sir?
Okay, then you can follow with
Sir?
that carry also.
8 plus 8 is 8 plus 8 is 16, sir. What? No, sir. First.
Start from first. 8 as
Yes,
it is
sir.
first.
Yes, sir. 8 as it is. Then 8 plus 8 is 16.
Okay, 16 is over. Next.
But we need to add now 1 to 8. It will become
Okay,
10,
no need.
sir.
I'll write the answer later. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then again 8 plus 8
8 plus 8 is 16, sir.
means 1 here, 6 here.
Yes, sir. No, 8 as it is, sir.
And at the end 8 as it is. Okay.
Sir, the answer will be 9768.
9768. Very good. Satvika. Satvika.
Yes, sir. So we'll put 5 as it is.
Okay.
Sir, and then 5 plus 5 is n number is 0, and we'll put 1 as carryover.
How it can be 5 as it is? N number, you are going to deal with n numbers means it cannot be 5 then. So because the next place is carry, right?
Yeah, 5 plus 5 is 10, and we'll put 1 as carryover.
Okay, right. 1 here, 0 here, 10.
Sir, again, 5 plus 5 is 10.
Okay.
And again, we'll put 1 carryover.
Hmm.
And the n number is 5. We'll put 5 as it is.
At the end, 5. Okay. Then final answer.
Sir, again, 5 plus 1 is 6, and 0 plus 1, 1. And 0, 5 as it is.
Okay, very good.
Correct. Then Ritvik. Yan
Yes,
Ritvik.
sir. First, we have to keep 3 as it is, and 3 plus 9 is 12. And then, so 1 we will carry forward, sir. Again, 9 plus 3 is also 12. Again, we have to carry forward 1, and then we have to keep 3 as it is. So the answer will be 4,323, sir.
323. Very good. Very good. Correct. So Disha.
Sir, here if we add, sir, 9 will come as it is, but as it is a carry combination in the last, it is going to be 9. Sir, it's going to be 1.
10 actually. 9 will become 10.
Yeah, sir.
Okay.
10. Then again, sir, 9 plus 3, it's going to be 12.
And number 2.
Number 2.
Hmm.
So
And again, the next place is carry. That's why 2 becomes
4, sir. I mean, 2 becomes 3, sir.
3. Okay.
So
Then
9
9 plus
plus
3.
3 plus 9 is again going to be 12, sir.
And number?
So 12, sir.
And
2
number is enough.
Last number. And if we add for 3, if we add, it's going to be 4, sir.
No. 12 means end number 2. So we can write it as it is only because the next place is no carry. Only 9, right?
Yes, sir.
That's
2 and 9 as it is.
Okay, Sudisha, if you are confusing with this method, no need to do. But if you practice, you can remove that confusion. Okay.
So is there any
I'm telling you
alternative
normal
for
process.
this?
Yeah, okay, sir.
What, Satvika?
So this is Toshnika. Is there any alternative for this, sir?
Why you need alternative method? Is it not
Like it's confusing slightly.
why confusion? See, so take the first number as it is 9, then 9 plus 3 12 means 1 here, 2 here, 3 plus 9 12 means 1 here, 2 here, and again 9 means as it is. So just add. Where is confusion now? 10 3 2 9, that's all.
Sir, should we give the names?
Okay, sir, got it.
Sir, should we give the names?
Why names?
Sir, for the
exercise.
I am telling continuously, don't concentrate on the names. Okay.
Yes, sir. You are telling.
Toshnika, do this.
Oh my, okay, sir.
Sir, should I?
Wait,
Sir, can I?
all of
Sir,
you.
can I?
Sir,
Sir,
please, sir, please.
I didn't get a chance
All of
to.
you wait. Toshnika,
Sir,
start.
Yes, sir.
you. Okay, sir. Continue.
Let her finish it
Continue.
afterwards.
No. I'm not asking you to finish this. I'll just explain along with the.
Sir,
Okay, sir, then it will be like you're going to write 1 and 6
Okay.
first.
Hmm.
And now, oh my God, I just got messed it up.
1 plus 2 is.
Yeah, 1 plus 2 is 3. And 4 plus 2 is 6.
Okay.
But 8 plus 4 is 12. So
One
you're going
here,
to
two
write 1 here and 2 here. Yes.
Okay.
And 9 plus 8 is 9, 2, 18, 17. So 1 here and 7 above.
Okay.
And 9 plus 2 is 9, 10, 11. So 1 below 7 and 1 on the other side.
Okay.
7 plus 2 is 7, 8, 9. So you can write it 9. You can write 9 as it is.
Okay.
7 plus 4, 7, 11. So 1 below 9 and 1 by the side.
Okay.
4 plus 3 is easy, is 4, 5 is 7. And then 3 plus 1 is 4.
Okay.
1 plus 5 is 6.
Okay.
5 plus 6 is 11. So 1 below 6 and 1 above. And now you're going to just finish it up. So 1, 3, 6, 7, 2,
1 3 7. Right.
Sorry, 1, 3, 3, 8.
1 3 7 3 8. Then
8,
next place will
1.
be
Oh wait. 2.
2 because the next place is carry.
Yes, carry. Yeah. So
End number.
So 1, 7, 4.
1 7 4
7, 1.
7 1.
Yes, sir.
Is it not easy?
Yes,
sir, it is easy. Sir, we don't need to write like down 1 and we can do directly. No, sir.
Yeah, if you are comfortable, you can proceed in that way only.
Sir, but we need some time, sir, for that.
Yeah.
Yes, sir, because this way it is
Need
taking
some
lot
practice.
of.
You don't need to write once here. Actually, as
Sir, actually it's very confusing, sir.
yeah, just by
maybe
seeing the next
end of the
and
6 go.
predict this number. Is it as it is or is it
Sir?
increase one place?
Sir,
Yeah, what Mahavir?
sir, here like after 5 plus 1 it will be 6, and after that 6 plus 5 it will be 11, right? Then we need to write 6 as it is, right, at the last.
Yes.
Sorry?
Sir, we need to write 6.
Just wait, all of you wait. Mahavir, tell me.
Sir, we need to write 6 as it is at the last, right?
Yes. I forgot that. Okay, very good. Yeah, after Toshnika, see, after this 5 plus 6, 11, then as it is 6. Don't forget this point, 6. So at the end, 6.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Sir, actually in the starting she said to put 1 and in the last 6.
Yes, sir, she said.
It's okay.
Don't write anything in the
not a big
chart. I am
deal.
continuously mentioning. Don't write anything in the chart. Okay. If
Sir,
you have
I'm
any doubt,
giving
I am allowing you to speak. So why to write then?
Sir, first only Yedarth kept E, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, it was a mistake, sir.
Why? Yedarth?
Sir, sorry, sir. You kept it. You said to
I think
write.
he has not.
Sir, you said it
Did
to
not get any chance, right, today?
Sir, you said you should.
No, sir, he didn't get a chance till now.
Okay.
Sir, today
then
we'll
this is Yedarth
you can
question.
go with
Yedarth
other
question. Yedarth, are you ready?
Sir, may I do, sir?
Sir, no, sir, can I?
Wait,
Sir, may I do? I'm having a bit
I'm just
confusion.
asking Yadharth.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. First one will write as it is, sir.
Okay. You will tell with carries or without carry? Directly you can tell the answer, or with carries we will do this.
And carries only, sir.
Okay. Carry on. Fast.
Sir, 1 as it is will write.
Okay.
7 plus 1 is 8, sir.
Okay. Next.
7 plus 9. Sir, 16, sir.
Okay. Next.
So
Fast.
16, 1. 8 and 9 is 17, sir.
Yeah. Next.
4 plus 8 is 12, sir. Sorry, sir.
Okay. Why you are taking that much time? Next. 4 plus 5.
4 plus 5 is 9, sir.
Okay.
Sir, 5 plus 0 is 5 as it is, sir.
Okay.
Then 0 plus 7 also 7 only as it is, sir.
Okay.
Then 7 plus 9, 16, sir.
Okay.
Then 9 plus 2 is 11, sir.
Okay.
So then 2 plus 7 is...
No. Don't forget this.
Sir?
2 as it is. Sorry. We have one more.
Sir,
Okay.
2 plus
Sorry,
7 is 9, sir.
Okay. 9.
And then
Next.
7 as it is will write.
7 as it is. Right. Just.
Sir, so
complete it.
1, 9, 7, 8, 2, 9, 5, 8, 7, 1, 9, 7.
That's okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Just let us discuss this, and with this we'll end the session. I'll explain
Sir,
this.
Sir, Mahavir kept A, sir.
Sir.
Hey, Mahavir.
I thought you were showing the questions.
11 is over. All of you are perfect with 11 multiplication.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, now
When we will do
Mahavir
of
also
A series
12.
of 3 ones at a time.
Sir, when we will do of 12.
Sorry.
Sir,
12
when we
exam,
will
sir.
do of 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19.
I already mentioned the multiplications beginning class only. First we'll see all special cases. Later we will come to general methods.
Sir,
Whatever
sir,
special
when we will do
multiplications
the
are there, we will
multiplication
discuss
by
all
two,
those
sir.
things first. Later we'll come to
Very
general
easy, no, sir.
Okay, okay.
Like that.
Sir, when we will do the multiplication with a single 3, 5.
single
It is
digit.
easy, right?
Any number into a
Yes,
single
sir.
digit.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we'll do that in general methods. General
Okay,
method
sir.
or in the middle of special methods only. I'll explain this.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. So now see the series of ones, 3 ones here. Any number I'm taking 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4 into 1, 1, 1. Okay. Listen to this carefully. First understand this. Later you can do any number of exercises. So as there are 3 digits, means as there are 3 ones, so we have to add 3 digits at a time. Actually 3 digits at a time. But before going to 3 digits, all of you see, Ashwad,
Yes, sir.
are you
Same,
listening? Ashwad. Ashwad is thinking somewhere.
Sir, can you say it again?
Ashwad,
Sir did not start only.
why, even though your headphones are there, Ashwad, where are you now? Till now.
Sir? Sir, can you hear me, sir?
Yeah, I'm hearing you, but you are not hearing me.
Yes, sir.
You are not
Sir,
listening to me.
sir, one we need to write as it is.
No,
sir.
no. I did not ask any question here. Just listen to this. So here we are going to multiply this number by 3 ones. 3 ones. I have not explained the procedure even. Okay, see. I'm explaining the procedure. Listen to me carefully. Take the first digit 1 as it is first. All of you listen to this. 1 as it is. Next. 1 plus 2 is how much?
2.
Sir, 3.
3,
1
sir.
plus 2.
3, sir. 3, sir.
Acha, 3, sir.
And then wait. 1 plus 2 plus 1 is how much?
Sir, what?
Sir,
What,
5.
4,
One
sir.
Sir,
plus
4,
Sir,
4, 4,
Eight.
4.
Sir, Susti is confusing, sir. Yes, sir. Susti is confusing.
Just
You should also think, right?
I completed. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Just tell what I asked. Just answer to me. Yes, that's all.
Sir, 1, 3. 4, sir. 1 plus 2 plus 1, 4, sir.
Sir, you can mute everyone, sir, and you can talk.
I think that is better. I only just explained.
Yes, sir.
Okay, all of you
Sir.
keep in mute condition. All
Sir,
of
we will do, sir. Please, 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 please give us a chance.
first, let me explain the procedure.
Yes, sir,
Later, you will do many exercises.
Okay, sir.
Just explain me. Let me explain at least one question to know the
Sir,
procedure.
continue.
Okay. All of you keep in mute condition. Don't respond to my questions. Okay. First, take one as it is. Because there are 3 ones, we have to come to 3 digits at a time. We have to add 3 digits at a time. But before going to 3 digits at a time, first take 1 digit, then 2 digits, later come to 3 digits. Okay. So first take 1 as it is. Next, 1 plus 2 is 3. And again from 1 only, 1 plus 2 plus 1 is 4. Okay.
4.
Yeah, don't respond anyone. Okay, 4. After that, no need to consider this one. Take next 3 digits. 2 plus 1 plus 3 is 6. And then ignore 2. 1 plus 3 plus 1 is 5. Next, ignore 1. 3 plus 1 plus 4 is 8. Ignore 3. 4 plus 1 is 5. And ignore 1. 4 as it is again. That's
Sir, 4 plus 1 plus 3. Yes, sir.
Sir, this
First,
thing
sir.
is more.
Sir, I got it, sir.
Sir, I have one small doubt. Sir,
Tell your
yes,
doubt.
sir. First, we can start with 2, which is 1 plus 2 is 3. We should note down 3 also, sir. Sir, after 3, when we
Just
count.
see. Ritvik, just see. If you are going to multiply this number by 3 ones means we need to reach up to 3 digits. So take first digit first. Later again from the first only 2 digits. Later again from the first only 3 digits. After taking 3 digits, cancel one digit and take the next 3 digits. Cancel this digit, next 3 digits. Cancel this, next 3 digits. Cancel this, next 3 digits. At the end also, again 3, 2, 1.
The last number, okay. Yes,
Sir,
sir.
can you explain again, sir?
Yeah, I'll explain another question. Okay.
Sir, if it is a carry
Can
out
you take somewhat like 3
Carry
digits
out.
and then
If it is a carry combination, then you can you know that thing already.
Yeah,
One will
sir,
be
one,
carried
one,
and the
okay.
next digit.
can you take a bit of 3 digits and explain? That's much easier.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir,
okay.
first.
With the 3 digits, I'll explain first. Later, we'll go to 3 or 4 digit, 5 digits.
Okay.
Some 312. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes,
Into
sir.
1, 1, 1. Okay. First take 3 as it is. Next 3 plus 1.
4.
4, sir.
Again 3 plus 4 plus 2. 3 plus 1 plus
Sir,
2.
sir,
3. Sir, it's 6.
6. So with that 3 digits are over. Next take next 2 digits only. 1 and 2.
Sir, 3.
3.
And take last digit as it is 2 again.
Okay, sir, now I understood.
No, 1 digit, 2 digits, 3 digits. After reaching 3 digits, every 3 consecutive digits. And at the end,
Sir,
2 digits and 1 digit again.
Sir,
Sir, can you
Sir, can you do for this question 1,
Sir,
5,
if it-
6, 7, 8?
sir, if the question is like 12 into 111, then
Okay, very good, very good. Yes, let me explain that first. 12 into 111.
111.
Very good. Now, is it okay?
It's okay.
Sir,
Yes,
we
sir.
can take.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir. 0.
0 as it is. Next, 0 plus 1,
Sir,
Sir, 1.
1. 1 plus 2.
Sir,
No,
3, sir. 3,
No,
sir.
no, no. 0 plus 1
0
plus
plus 1 plus 2. 3,
Sir,
sir.
it's 3.
3. Now cancel this 0. 1 plus 2 is
3, sir. Again 3, sir.
3.
okay.
Then 2,
Then
sir.
cancel
That's
1,
it.
last 2 as it is. 1, 3, 3, 2.
1, 3, 3, 2. Sir, can you do for this question? Sir, can you do
Can
for
we
this?
start with exercise?
You can
Sir,
Mahavir, tell your question.
sir, can you do for this question 1, 5, 6, 2, 7, 8?
6, 2, 7, 8 with the 111 multiplication.
Yes, sir.
Right? Okay. We'll end this session with this last question. Okay.
Okay, sir.
You can practice any number of questions on your own.
Tell for
We'll do the exercise in the next class.
So names.
No need to give any name. Okay. We'll do this exercise in the next class.
So for
Just
the next
let
class,
me complete this question, last question. So first take 1 as it is. 1 plus 5 is 6. 1 plus 5 plus 6 is, so 12 means 1 here, 2 here. Okay.
Now we need to cut
Sir,
1.
6 plus 2 plus 7 is
Okay, now cut 1. 5 plus 6 plus 2.
Sir,
Sir, 13.
13.
13 means 1
13.
be here.
13.
Cut 5.
13.
6 plus 2 plus 7.
Sir, 15.
Sir,
Sir, 15.
1 here, 5 here.
Sir, 17. Sir, next is 17.
17 means
yes.
1 here, 7 here. With
1,
this,
7.
with this, we come to end, right? Now come
Yes.
to digits, later one digit.
Sir, 7 plus 6 is 15 and then
7
8.
plus 8 is
Sir,
15.
16.
And
Sorry,
last
15.
8.
And 8, sir. Sir,
That-
so the answer will be 1, 7.
1,
7,
1, 7, 3, 4, 6,
4,
8, 5.
8, 5, 8 again.
8. That's it,
That's
sir.
it. Okay. Take any random numbers and do practice with this multiplication by 11. Okay.
sir.
How it will be? Just tell me the procedure for 4 ones if it is.
Sir, what, sir? 4?
Sir,
Any
sir,
number.
can I tell?
Sir, can I?
Sir,
can
can
I?
We should add 4.
Sir,
Sir, can I, Mahavir?
can I? Can I?
Anyone can.
Sir, I will take the same question which I told. Sir, so first we'll write 1.
No,
Then we'll write.
just wait. Just explain the procedure, how to do this.
Sir, like first we'll write the first number as it is. Then first number plus second number. Then first number plus second number plus third number.
Okay.
Then first number plus second number plus third number
Plus
plus fourth number.
Yeah, up to
So then
that.
we will take out the first number. It will be second number plus third number plus fourth number plus fifth number.
Consecutive 4 digits, okay?
Yes,
Again
sir.
consecutive 4 digits, again consecutive 4 digits. At the end,
Sir.
again 4 digits, 3 digits.
Number 4 will coming on reducing. 3, 2, 1, and that's it.
We'll take names.
No.
Yes, sir. We'll do names, sir. Sir,
I'm-
more.
and-
Don't take
Okay, okay. I'm ending the session and we'll discuss all these things in
Sir,
the
I
next.
still did not understand this
Sorry?
Mahavir's question, sir. I didn't understand how to do the carry.
I'll explain this again in the next class, okay?
Okay, sir.
Now the time is
Yes,
over.
sir.
I'm ending the session.
Bye,
Bye,
sir.
all of you.
Bye,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Have a
Thank you,
nice
sir.
day.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
Bye, sir. Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir.
Sir.